Have you ever wished that there was an all-in-one course that tell you how to quickly build a profitable business online from scratch? I get that question often from marketers. So I've been looking for a solution. Today, I will be reviewing iPro Academy 2.0. Fred Lamb, the creator of iPro Academy 2.0, brings together all the tools you need to not only learn, but create a profitable online business. Fred has spent the last 10 years perfecting a system through trial and error that helps others to enjoy a profitable business of their own. Module 1, the fundamentals. As Fred points out, 90% of people mess up before they start. The first lesson is about choosing the right advertising method. Here the various advertising platforms are discussed and defined. The second lesson is mastering grade 3 math for internet marketing. Here key metrics are discussed and defined that include CPC, EPC, CPM, eCPM, CTR, LCV, CPL, CPA, and CPS. These are terms that every marketer should really know. The next lesson is about internet marketing and how it works. And then the final lesson covers understanding the internet marketing language. Here, key internet marketing terms are defined such as landing page, opt-in page, lead generation page, sales letter, pre-sale page, video sales letter, and many more. In fact, there's 23 definitions in all in that lesson. Module 2, creating a media-happy website. In this section, there are 4 lessons that cover niche research, what to promote, the process of building your website, and then outsourcing the process. The first module goes over the process and the tools that help you discover your niche. The second lesson talks about what to promote for your website, obviously, and then the process is discussed about creating your website in the third lesson. The fourth lesson covers outsourcing and the power of outsourcing. Here, the importance of outsourcing and what the processes are to outsource are discussed, as well as how to get started outsourcing and the best place to find outsourcers. Module 3, understanding funnels and the best funnels to use for traffic. This module covers the different types of funnels: direct linking, opt-in funnel, pre-sale funnel, review funnel, and webinar funnel. There's a discussion and definition of each of the types of funnels in each of these modules. Module 4 covers unlimited instant traffic on Facebook. Facebook is huge, with over 1.35 billion monthly active users, so I think it's very important to understand this platform and the possibilities for advertising on Facebook. Here you have a number of different courses that starts out with the basics of understanding the Facebook ads, the ad policy, creating your Facebook page, and you can have actually a number of Facebook pages, Facebook personal account versus a business account, understanding ad type and objectives, and finding your target audience. Continues on with Facebook ad preparation, setting up of your Facebook ads, optimizing your Facebook ads, using the Power Editor built in to Facebook, scaling on Facebook, and then remarketing on Facebook. Module 5 is about complete Google mastery, the world's #1 traffic source. It's very important that you understand Google if you're going to be an online marketer. And the first lesson starts out with that very topic, which is understanding Google. Next, we learn about how to be compliant with Google, the search setup, optimizing search, contextual setup, optimizing contextual, Google display setup, optimizing display, remarketing, advanced tips, the gold mine within Google, and using AdWords editor. This is a very in-depth training on everything Google. And there's the value that comes from truly understanding how Google works and how to use their systems. I found extremely valuable, and I think you will too. Module 6 covers the hidden gem in Bing. So in this module, there's an introduction to Bing, what it takes to be Bing compliant, the setup for search in Bing, optimizing Bing search, and some additional tips to help you be successful on Bing. Module 7, My Secret Penny Magic, is a explanation about using penny click mastery. You're taught in these lessons how to set up, optimize, and scale on 50 on red and traffic fans. Module 8, Penny Thief Module. Here there's an introduction to CPV advertising and courses on building landing pages for CPV, generating keyword lists for CPV, and generating URL lists. Also included are setting up on traffic fans, setting up on direct CPV, setting up on 50 on red, and optimizing and scaling with CPV advertising. Also included with the course are some reinforcement training. The first group of trainings include 14 videos and are called Virtual Weekend Training. There's a ton of good content in those videos. Secondly, there is a webinar called 10 New Business Model Trainings. That webinar lasts an hour and 35 minutes and is really good. Fred's Power Session includes 20 individual video sessions. And then there's Open Office Hour webinars that include 13 individual sessions. And finally, we have the resources section, which includes 15 valuable resources for you to download and use in your marketing efforts. This is, I found, very helpful for anybody in a business, whether it's a startup or an ongoing business. There's some very valuable information and tips in these resources. Okay, to wrap up this review, the iPro 2.0 Academy program is extremely detailed, leaving no stone unturned in the steps required to ensure success. The downside to all this detail included with the training is that for experienced or expert marketers, some of the material will seem too beginner level. Thankfully, though, there is very high-end training as well that anyone, regardless of level, will benefit from. As far as alternatives, I tried to find any other courses that I thought included everything that iPro Academy 2.0 has in it, and I wasn't able to find anything that was really very close to this course. So in conclusion, iPro Academy 2.0 was built to help anyone, regardless of experience level, to start a profitable business from scratch. The detail built into the course may be a distraction to those with experience. When a course like this is being developed, it is challenging to build it to suit the needs of both the newbies and the highly experienced. I believe that Fred Lamb and his team have done a masterful job of developing the training to serve the needs of persons at all different levels. They offer a 100% no-risk 30-day guarantee. I would highly recommend iPro Academy 2.0 to anyone that wants to build a profitable business. It comes with lifetime access and a 100% no-risk 30-day guarantee.